Hello Virgo, this is your general reading for January 2018. Hello Virgo, this is your general reading for January 2018. So remember, this is a general reading, so let's see what is the energy for you during this time. So this is the current situation. This is the star, a very beautiful card for you at the beginning. What you need to do is what this Page of Swords is telling, and what could you expect if you do what this Page of Swords is telling you is the Five of Cups. And at the bottom of this deck you have this Ace of Cups. So for some of you, maybe there is some blockage. Something is blocking you to manifest, and for some of you to remain in connection with love, with some partner, with some connection. This is not also romantic partnership. This could be a friendship or relatives. This could be family. There are some kind of blockage around that. So yes, this could be for some of you about the family, even about your mother or motherhood. This could be you. There is some kind of struggle, internal struggle about a mother, your mother, or motherhood. About children, maybe you are suffering for some child around you. This could be your children, your child. So at the beginning, at the bottom of this deck, you have this. And this is telling me that you have this challenge around your family. For some of you, it's about some child or children around you. For some of you, this is your inner child. You need to heal your inner child. You are maybe discovering that this connection is power. It's powerful, and you are aware now how your inner children or child or your children around you have so much. They are so wise. They have so much to tell you, to teach you. You have so much to learn from them that you are, wow. You are amazed how wise a child could be. Because you have been told that children are not wise enough. It's grown-up adult people that are intelligent, wise because of their experience. But there are some wise words, explanation, clarity that is brought to you from a child. A child is telling you some kind of truth. They are bringing you some kind of revelation there is clarity for you, and it implies healing. This is communication with children. And remember to communicate very wisely and very frequently, very often with your inner child. You have all the power, all the light that you need, that you are looking for inside you, and your inner child has the answers. For some of you, this cat in this car are telling me that for some of you there are animals around you, your pets, your cat. Animals are telling you also truths, are showing you light, are helping you to heal. I love when these messages are appear in these readings, because I know that animals have a purpose in our life, and they are masters and healers too. So take that in consideration. Maybe you need, or your child or your children need, an animal in their life. This could be a very good healing presence in your life and their life. So you have the Page of Swords, and this is like a Page of Cups. So there is so much clarity. This is communication messages from someone younger than you, from, again, this, I'm feeling that this is from children. And there is so much love, compassion, there is so much light, and this is coming from an enlightened mind person. This is clarity and revelations, and you need to open your heart and listen, because for some of you it is so hard to believe that children are more wise than you, that children have the answer that you are looking forward to find somewhere else. For some of you, you are not willing to accept whatever a child or children around you want to tell you or need to tell you about your life or about yourself, but you need to listen this time, because they are opening new doors. Just the realization of this, it is a big change in your mindset. It is a very new perspective of life, of children, and that there is opening other doors, not even emotionally or spiritually. This is opening doors in the tangible, in material, financial. This child or these children are teaching you about forgiveness and about abundance, about maybe the relation, whatever they are telling you, It's about your financial aspect, about material world, and they are telling you something big. There is a revelation from them. There is about abundance and about being thankful, about see whatever is abundance in your life, whatever represents prosperity in your life. Not only focus in the bad, in the negative, in your lack, in your needs. This is a big teaching about abundance and being thankful. When you are thankful every time for everything, you are opening these new doors to abundance. You are discovering the key. This is a key that this child or these children are bringing you with their presence. Even these animals are teaching you about that. With their presence, their words, they are bringing you light and abundance. So the question is if you are willing to open your heart and accept this, because your mind may not believe in this. Your mind may avoiding all these wise words and these big revelations that are coming from from some child or children and animals around you. So I hope you open your heart in order to open these new doors to abundance. I hope this reading will help you, and I'll see you next time. See you, bye.